So I want to remind you that Baltoro is a platform. As part of that platform, we've redesigned a lot of things on the inside of Baltoro to make it simpler to maintain for our customers, as well as our own service folks. Let me give you a really good example of this. So the print engine, the high fusion print engine, was redesigned to have the ink reservoirs at the bottom versus the top. And that does a lot for us. So number one, because they're at the bottom, they use the Bernoulli effect or gravity effect. So there's no pumps or motors required. Before, when they were sitting on top, there were pumps and motors, and as you know, pumps and motors over time may need to be replaced or serviced. So it's simplified the service model for this, and it's also made it easier for customers to simply just switch off the press at the end of the shift. Startup and shutdown for Baltoro is extremely simple. I can come in after it's been sitting overnight, simply turn it on, and within 5 to 7 minutes, the press is now ready to print. And it's the same thing for end of shift. The end of shift process is I clean, wipe, and park the heads, and then it's ready to go to bed for the night. So I hope you find some of these insights that I've shared with you today pretty helpful. So from the Gill Hatch Center and Baltoro HF, thanks.